Welcome to the Queensland Novelist Summit of 2020. My name is Connor Harrison and I will be presenting information regarding copyright, novels and your ideas. Whether you're a novelist, poet, journalist or even blogger, protecting your work and reaping the rewards from your work is essential. This promotes creativity and provides an incentive to people who invest their time and talent into creating for the world. However, it is a common misconception intellectual property laws protect the ideas, thoughts, and even plot lines behind these works. So what happens when the light bulb above your head turns on and you have a sudden life-changing idea? Well, from the moment your work comes into existence, if it has any connection to Australia, either through publication or the author's residency, then copyright law grants you, as the creator, an automatic right to copy, publish, perform, and distribute it as a literary work. The key words here are comes into existence. This means when your ideas and original expression are expressed in material form. For instance, features of your novel's plot are not protected under copyright law, but the novel it is featured in is. The way the story is told, the words used, and the order the words are put in will be covered under copyright. To put this into perspective, the Tolkien estate owns the copyright to the J.R.R. Tolkien Lord of the Rings novels, but not to the basis of the central plotline, destroying the magical One Ring. For a real example of this, the 2016 case of Tolkien estate and Saltalamarchia can be reviewed. Here, Mr. Saltalamarchia used Mr. Tolkien's concept of a magical ring and created jewelry inspired by the ring from Lord of the Rings. However, Justice Beach found copyright legislation to be breached when Mr. Saltalamarchia inscribed the ring with the same fictional language inscription the ring has in the novels. He did this without license or authority of the Tolkien estate and therefore was in breach of the Copyright Act. This is an example of the phrase, "It protects the form in which the idea is clothed, and not the idea itself." As a magical gold ring is a mere idea, the literary work inscribed on the ring is the form in which the idea is materialized. Copyright law does not have requirements in regards to the quality and performance of novels. Instead, it falls under a literary work, which simply refers to something in writing in order to receive copyright protection under the law. If you are party to a joint copyright or own the sole copyright of a literary work, Australian legislation features strong protection under law, such as preventing your novel being reproduced and adapted into other forms without your consent, like audiobooks or films. It also provides protection against unauthorized online publication or public readings of your work to ensure you are able to reap the rewards. If these protections fail, and an unauthorized use of your work was found, Australian copyright law also includes remedies to effectively resolve breaches of your copyright. This commonly includes a court order to cease the infringing behavior, as well as compensatory orders for your loss of profit due to the breach. Thank you all for attending this presentation at the Queensland Novelist Summit. I hope you are able to take away new knowledge regarding copyright and its relationship with your future ideas and novels.